CopterPack is an Australian company developing an electric backpack helicopter. The concept is for a personal aircraft that is worn like a backpack and uses twin-duct rotors for lift and maneuverability. The lightweight airframe is constructed from carbon fiber honeycomb, and the company says it will incorporate a self-leveling autopilot for safety. The company has released videos showing a tethered test flight of their prototype, but there is no information on when a consumer version might be available or how much it would cost. There are also questions about the practicality of the design, such as how long it would fly on a charge and how safe it would be in the event of a malfunction. The CopterPack is an interesting concept that has the potential to revolutionize personal transportation. The Gravity Jet Suit, also known as the Deadless Flight Pack, is a real-life jet suit developed by British inventor Richard Browning and his company, Gravity Industries. It's not quite like the jetpacks we see in science fiction movies yet, but it allows humans to fly through the air at speeds of up to 70 miles per hour, 112 kilometers per hour, for short bursts. The suit consists of a lightweight frame that holds two mini-jet engines on the back. The pilot controls the suit by moving their arms, which are connected to sensors that control the direction of the thrust. Jet suits are still in the early stages of development, but they have the potential to revolutionize transportation, search and rescue operations, and even military applications. The cost of a gravity jet suit itself is estimated to be around $592,000. The Jetson ONE is a single-seat, all-electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft. It is kind of like a mini helicopter or drone that you can fly yourself. The Jetson ONE is made of aluminum and carbon fiber and is powered by 8 electric motors that produce a total of 102 horsepower. It can fly for up to 15 minutes on a single charge and has a maximum range of 20 kilometers, 12 miles. The aircraft is also equipped with a parachute for safety. The aircraft is lightweight, weighing in at just 86 kilograms, 190 pounds. The Jetson ONE is designed for recreational use and does not require a pilot's license to fly. The Jetson ONE personal electric aerial vehicle costs $98,000 for new clients. The Flyboard Air is a type of hoverboard powered by gas turbines. It was invented by French watercraft rider Frankie Zapata, founder of Zapata Racing. The Flyboard Air achieved a Guinness World Record for the farthest flight by a hoverboard in April 2016, covering a distance of 2,252.4 meters. Zapata Racing claims that the Flyboard Air allows flight up to an altitude of 3,000 meters, 9,800 feet, and has a top speed of 150 kilometers per hour, 93 miles per hour. It also has an endurance of 10 minutes. The load capacity of the Flyboard Air is 102 kilograms, 225 pounds, and it is powered by 5 turbines and fueled by kerosene. The pivotal BlackFly is an electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft designed for personal use. It was created by Canadian engineer Marcus Lang and is manufactured by Opener, which recently rebranded to Pivotal Aero. The BlackFly is a 2-seater with a propeller at the front and 2 rear propellers that can tilt to provide vertical lift for takeoff and landing. It can reach speeds of up to 62 miles per hour, 100 kilometers per hour, and has a range of 40 miles, 64 kilometers. The BlackFly is still in development, but it is one of the first eVTOL aircraft to be available for purchase. The base price for the single-seat electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft is $190,000. The Spirit of Innovation is an all-electric aircraft designed, built, and flown by Rolls-Royce as part of their Accelerating the Electrification of Flight project. Its purpose is to break world electric speed records and to serve as a testbed for future electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) technologies. On its record-breaking runs, the aircraft clocked up a maximum speed of 623 km per hour, 387.4 miles per hour, making it the world's fastest all-electric vehicle. The aircraft is powered by a 400 kilowatts 500 plus HP electric motor and the most power-dense propulsion battery pack ever created for aerospace applications. It is based on the modified airframe of the Nemesis NXT, a propeller-driven racing aircraft. The HEXA is an electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft being developed by Lift Aircraft. It is designed to be a single-passenger, ultralight vehicle that can be operated without a pilot's license. The HEXA has 18 independent electric motors that are mounted on a web of 6 inward-pointing sectors. This design allows the aircraft to be controlled by varying the individual motor speed for each propeller, which provides excellent visibility for the pilot. The HEXA is also amphibious, meaning that it can land on both water and land. Flying HEXA is simple. A triply redundant autopilot computer with a single, 3-axis joystick is all that is needed to fly. It can fly for up to 15 minutes on a single charge, with an operational range of 40 miles, 64 kilometers. The Lilium Jet is a prototype electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft designed by the German company Lilium GmbH. It is under development, with a 7-seat production version planned. The Lilium Jet is designed to be quieter than traditional helicopters, with noise levels that are comparable to those of a car driving by. It is also designed to be more efficient than helicopters, with a range of up to 300 kilometers, 186 miles. The production Lilium Jet is intended to accommodate 6 passengers and 1 pilot. It is powered by 36 electric motors, 6 on each of the 2 front canards and 12 on each rear wing. The motors are LED above 12 tiltable rear flaps. The drive-carrying flaps pivot downwards for vertical launch. The ARC Aerosystems C-150 is a remotely controlled cargo aircraft designed for vertical takeoff and landing VTOL. It can be configured with either a fully electric or hybrid electric powertrain. The all-electric version boasts a flight time of 60 minutes, while the hybrid electric option extends that time to 4 hours. With a cruise speed of 100 km per hour and a maximum range of roughly 160 km, the C-150 is designed for short-distance cargo missions. This craft is capable of transporting 30 kilograms of cargo up to 400 kilometers. The C-150 excels particularly in reaching remote or hard-to-access areas, significantly reducing time spent on logistics and travel. The Zapata AirScooter is a single-seat, hybrid electric vertical takeoff and landing VTOL aircraft that looks like something out of science fiction. It has a futuristic, egg-shaped cockpit with a panoramic glass windshield and windows on the sides, offering riders a spectacular view. 12 electric propellers are mounted on 8 booms, allowing the AirScooter to take off and land vertically. One of the most interesting things about the AirScooter is that it is designed to be easy to fly. The aircraft is controlled by 2 joysticks, similar to those used in VR gaming. The AirScooter is powered by a hybrid electric engine that Zapata says is more efficient than other eVTOL designs. The company claims that the AirScooter can reach a top speed of 100 km per hour, 62 miles per hour, and has a flight time of up to 2 hours. The JETRACER is a vertical takeoff and landing VTOL aircraft created by Zapata, a company founded by former jet ski champion Frankie Zapata. It's designed to be agile and maneuverable, with a top speed of 200 km per hour and the ability to reach altitudes of up to 3,000 meters. 10 microturbojet engines provide the thrust, and the craft can even fly with 2 engines out. The JETRACER is built for easy use with a focus on safety. It uses a fly-by-wire control system that doesn't require extensive pilot training. Its small footprint allows for operation from confined spaces, and its modular design means it can be configured for either manned or unmanned flight. This makes it a potential option for both civilian and military applications. The Boeing Stearman Model 75 is an iconic American biplane that was widely used as a military trainer aircraft during World War II. Nicknamed the Cadet, over 10,000 Model 75s were built during the 1930s and 1940s. The Model 75 was a rugged and forgiving aircraft, making it ideal for training new pilots. It was powered by a single Continental R6 77-cylinder radial engine that produced 220 horsepower. The aircraft had a maximum speed of 124 miles per hour, 200 kilometers per hour, and a range of 505 miles, 813 kilometers. After World War II, many surplus Model 75s were sold to the civilian market. Today, these aircraft are popular with airshow performers and recreational pilots. The Volocopter VoloCity is an electrically powered vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft designed to be used as an air taxi. The VoloCity has a capacity for 1 pilot and 1 passenger, with a maximum takeoff weight of 900 kilograms, 1,984 pounds. It is powered by 18 electric motors, each driving a small fixed-pitch propeller. The VoloCity has a cruise speed of around 90 km per hour, 56 miles per hour, and a maximum range of 35 to 65 km, 22 to 40 miles. The VoloCity is designed to be quiet and emission-free, making it a potentially attractive option for urban transportation. Volocopter does not currently sell VoloCity aircraft directly to consumers. Eve Air Mobility's eVTOL electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft is a revolutionary step towards sustainable and accessible mobility. This 100% electric aircraft is designed with a human-centric approach, ensuring safety, accessibility, and comfort for passengers. The eVTOL utilizes a lift plus cruise configuration with 8 dedicated propellers for vertical flight and fixed wings for cruise flight. This design does not require any change in the position of these components during flight. One of the most striking features of the eVTOL is its multiple rotors, which enhance its robustness and ability to handle various conditions. The aircraft has a range of 60 miles, 100 kilometers, offering a sustainable commute with a significantly reduced noise footprint. The ACE VTOL Trinity is a multi-role electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft designed for passenger and cargo transportation. It is still in the concept design stage, but the company has released some information about its capabilities. The Trinity is designed to carry 4 to 7 passengers or 1 metric ton of cargo. It will have a range of up to 300 miles, 480 kilometers on a single charge, and a top speed of up to 270 miles per hour, 430 kilometers per hour. The cabin will be spacious and can be configured for different purposes, including luxury passenger travel, commercial air taxi service, logistics, and emergency response. One unique feature of the Trinity is that it will be able to accommodate wheelchair passengers.